Gotta make a good gift for Mom. Yes, done! Take a look at what I made.
A paper airplane. Nice work. But check out what I've done. I made her a paper snowflake.
That's what you made? That's ridiculous. It's just a bunch of holes.
Well, forget you. You just made a dumb paper airplane. Ah, how dare you?
Well, take that!
You ruined my gift. I hate you.
Well, I hate you! Look at these two fighting like this. We can't have that. Stop! Whoa, what happened? Where are we?
I think that weird wizard brought us here.
Weird wizard? Well, I can't have that. Here, this is better. And now, welcome to this challenge. Alright, I have this dollhouse as you can see. As you can see, it's missing a sofa. You need to make one.
Make one, huh? I wonder how I could do this. Wait a second, I've got an idea. Okay, here's this couch. Time to make some measurements.
Where did she even go? Weird. I'm just gonna make this couch with origami. I'll fold it in half, corner to corner. Then I'll open it and do the same from the other corners. Now to fold the corner to the middle line. And then unfold and do it again. Now I'll bring it back to the center. Gotta make sure to crease it well. And then I'll repeat those steps on the other side. It's going well so far. And now I'm caught up to the other side. And now I move on to the next steps. More folds into the middle. On both sides again too. It's getting a little harder to fold. Okay, now I get to unfold it a bit. But I gotta fold the other corners to the middle now. And then more unfolding and folding to the new center line. And now we fold it back up. Can't forget to turn it over and do it on the other side. It's starting to come together. Alright, unfold it and refold it again. It needs to be a rectangle. And now I can fold the ends inside to make a sort of box. Gotta do the other end too. Great! And I'll make another one too. I'll put these two boxes together. Yes, this part is done. Now for this next little piece of paper. I'll fold it in half without creasing it and then slide it in the ends. Another one too for the arms of the sofa. You know what? It needs some pillows too. Ta-da! It's so cute! Here's my sofa, Mr. Wizard. Excellent job!
Gotta make sure I measure every length. Okay, now I need to do some math.
I'm surprised she hasn't come back yet. Oh, she fell asleep. Well, I'm happy with my results. I'll just put my little couch right here in the dollhouse. Next challenge, I expect you to make this. Okay, I think I can do this. I'll start with this paper.
I wonder what the best way to tackle this paper boat is. But gosh, I wish I was on a real boat. Sailing on the blue waves, sun and wind in my hair. So relaxing and beautiful. I could spend my whole summer on a boat.
Looks like she's lost in her imagination again. She's gonna fall behind though. I better get her attention.
What?
We're supposed to be making origami boats.
Oh, right. Okay, I'll get to work. I'll start by folding it in half on the long edge. Okay, that's good. Nice start. And now I'll turn it around and fold it on the other end too. Gotta make sure it's nice and creased. Okay, I'll open it back up and fold down the corner. It's kind of like making a paper airplane. But it can't be an airplane, of course. It needs to be a boat. I'll fold up this lip. It's sort of got a boat shape now. Or if not a boat, maybe a captain's hat. Okay, now this next step is a bit harder. I've got to pop it open and fold it down again. And then tuck this edge under the under one so it's flat. Back to folding the corners up. Look, I made a cool triangle, but still not a boat. Gotta flip it over here. And now for the finishing step. Woo, look! I pulled it open and now it's a boat. It turned out so great. Love it. Now we have two little boats. We're awesome.
Good job, both of you. You passed this challenge. Hey, wait a second. Come with me. We'll try them out. Hey, where are you guys going? Alright, the tub is full. Are you ready to set sail?
Ew, look! They're floating! So cute!
Oh, they're starting to get soggy. Well, they are just paper. Definitely gotta work on my manicure. Oh, you ready? Okay. Here's your next challenge.
Fingernails! Got it! Time to break out my manicure kit. Let's see, where do I want to start? Oh, these blue ones, I think. They'll match my outfit. Alright, time to start gluing these on. Yes, take a look at these. Challenge completed.
What? Ah, no. That's not what I meant at all. Wow, your nails are ridiculous. I'm gonna use origami again. I'll take this corner and fold it halfway down to the other edge. Then the other corner to have a triangle on top. Now for this corner too, for another triangle. And then the final corner too. Okay, now I've got to fold this up to the top. And then fold it across. Now I've got a full triangle. Good. Okay, I'll open it back up and then fold the corner down. I'll flip it down now too. And then I'll fold the last bit up. There's a lot of folding for this project. But I still want sharp creases, even though the paper is getting thicker. This is the tricky bit. I've kinda gotta pop this open and fold in the corner. But that's it! Look! I can slip my finger right in here! Ta-da! Check out these nails! Oh, creepy. Good job.
Why aren't my nails good enough?
You should have seen your face.
Whatever! You're too mean!
What do you think the next challenge will be? It's cranes. That's your next challenge.
I wonder how I can do this one.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure where to start.
Ooh! I know what I can do. I've got my earbuds. I'll just pop them into my ears. This will work. Time to start this playlist. Yeah, I feel this. This is definitely my jam. Time to get folding. I'll start with the usual corner to corner fold. And then the other corners too. Next up, the edge to edge fold. Crease it sharply and then open it back up. And then do the same with the other edge too. Okay, I've got to open it back up and then for something a little trickier. I've got to use the existing folds to make this triangle. Now I've got to fold this little edge to the new middle. Good! And then the other edge too. Then this top little corner has to come down, but then back up. Flip the whole thing over and do the same edge folds. Okay, back over to the front and open it up a bit. Another trickier fold here, but now it looks like a diamond. Okay, now more of those little edge folds. They're pretty small now too. Keep creasing though. What's next? Flipping it over and repeating, of course. I like this next step. It's a fun one. This little leg-looking part folds up now. And then this tip down. It's starting to come together. Using the scissors. This cut has to go all the way up to the middle. This wing comes down like this now. And the other one too. And then fold these little cut flaps like this. 1, 2, 3 folds. Yes, look! I made a little origami crane. So cute. Watch, he can do a little crane dance.
Okay. Oh, she's really into it again. Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, I've got my playlist going. Check it out.
Oh, wow, I get it now. This playlist is a bop. I guess I better get folding too.
Woo! Dance, little crane!
Yes, my crane's done and ready to dance too. Look at them go. They're dancing up a storm. What's going on over there? Where's that music coming from? Ooh, I feel like dancing too. Kinda bored now. Oh, the wizard guy's back. Let's see what he's got. Next challenge is a flower. Get to work. Okay, I think I know how to do this one. Hey, yeah, I'm hoping you can help me out. Thanks. Here you go. Please sign here. Ah, great! And here are your roses. Have a nice day. Wizard guy, I've got my roses. What? That's not what I meant at all. Come on. Ugh, okay, fine. Let me try something else instead. Alright, a little of this and some more over here. And now for my scissors. Okay, I think that's it and I'm done. Ta-da! What is that?
Looks like you failed a challenge again. Time for me to try something with my scissors. But first, more paper folding. Okay, let me use this ruler and a pencil to draw a line. Okay, now I'm ready to do some snipping. I'll just cut lines all the way up to the marked line. All the way from one end to another. Time to open it up. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. Now to add some glue to this part down here. And then fold it over and secure it with the glue. Now I need a green straw and more glue. I'll put the glue all around this end of the straw. Alright, I'll add the straw to the paper. Just gotta keep rolling the paper onto the straw. Keep going, keep going, keep going! And now to do it again with another paper. This is turning out great! Yes, I'm done with my flower.
Ooh, I see what you did there. Nice job. What? Oh, I guess he's right. It is pretty cool.
Aw, she looks pretty sad. Hey, look! I made one for you too.
Ooh, a purple one. Thank you so much. You're such a good friend. Aw, their friendship is finally repaired. How would you make a boat out of paper? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.